it was really awesome. I mean, I've heard so much good music in the last 5 days. I mean, I've never been in such an environment where there's music around you all the time, and it's really cool. I know that this place is like, it's going places, and hopefully I'll be here for the next semester. So yeah, I mean, it's made me like so many new different kinds of music. It's awesome.
Once in a lifetime. When I started applying for the SAM workshop, I wasn't even sure that I will be selected. I have absolutely no idea what it is all about. But I knew that I had to take a break from all my work and SAM was the place, and it turned out to be the place finally. And believe me, when I'm going back and I'm thinking that what all will I say to my friends over there, I'm very sure that they'll think I'm lying and exaggerating. And I'm not exaggerating right now, they will actually think that I'm lying. For the last 5 days, the amount of music, knowledge, energy that I have seen at this place, I'm not sure if I've ever seen before, and if I don't join SAM, I'm not sure if I'll ever see it again. So it was an amazing experience, and I recommend it to everyone who is even least interested in music should come here and just have a look to believe it.
I have been to 5 camps before, and this was the most incredible camp I have ever been to SAM. The musicianship level was out of the world. Incredible performances, incredible training, incredible clinics, lessons. The faculty are so loving and so helpful to the students. And basically the campers, we don't take back lessons as much as we take back inspiration to continue our journey into music. And SAM has this magic of amazing musicianship from all over the world, all kinds of genres, breaking genres. And it's just incredible. I sometimes run out of words about SAM. But I keep coming back here, and I will keep coming back here. Thanks.
Before coming for this camp, I had no idea about SAM. It's my first trip to SAM. And I had no idea about what's going to happen there in the camp. And this 5-day was some amazing things happening at the school. These 5 days were like 5 long months. I got a lot of things to work on. The faculty is so good, the vibe is so good at this place. It's a great place. I really, describe this place to every musician in this country, because the level of faculty here is amazing. It's amazingly good. And the best musicians in the world are coming to this place, and they're teaching you. You get to spend time with them, and not only just you get to learn from them, you get to learn about a lot of things besides music. How to be a musician, professionalism, a lot of things, because they're all big gigging musicians. It's a great place.
I can just say that all that I expected, I got it. It was a totally new experience for me. A guy belonging from a Hindustani classical background, Bollywood background, coming here and playing music with such talented musicians was like really mind-blowing.
I got a lot more than what I expected, frankly. I came here with a clear goal that I want to study theory, I want to study practice regimen for my guitar playing, and I got a lot more than that. In terms of an understanding of live performances, it's tremendous how they explain concepts of live performances. It's tremendous how Sebastian made it very easy for us, for me at least, to understand basic theory, being a starter guitar player. And I think for most people who, like me, had an apprehension that maybe SAM is for people who already are experts to a certain level, I think this is a myth that they should forget, that anyone at any level can come to SAM and really learn so much more than what they think they will. It's tremendous in the last 5 days what I've done. Just a camp, if a camp can do so much, I can imagine what a 6-month or a couple of semesters can do. It's incredible. And watching so many live bands in the last 5 days, all of those bands that played, all the ensembles that we played with and we watched, it's amazing what these guys are up to. So it's pretty awesome. It's very, very awesome.
My name is Saili and I just started singing with a band in Pune, and all the band members are ex-SAM students and they came together because of SAM, and they're Vishwadeep Day, Ravi Nair and Arjun Menon. And even though I've not been like professionally trained in music or in singing, we still thought that I could pull it off and were very patient. And since they've studied at SAM, they really know the technique, how to handle a vocalist, how to teach somebody who doesn't know anything. And I heard about the SAM workshop through them, and I applied, and I was so happy that I was actually accepted, even though I have no knowledge in music, so to speak. And after coming here, even then everybody was like, they really embraced me and really helped me out through the way, and now I have so much material to go back and study and work on this and, you know, basically improve my craft. So hopefully that happens, but I certainly got the right direction here at SAM, and I would really look forward to coming here again, and I would certainly recommend a lot of people to come here. It's a very different culture over here. It's not like you don't see this kind of atmosphere and culture and this conducive atmosphere anywhere in India, I think, or any other school like it's at SAM. And kudos to the staff, the faculty, and the vision that they have and where they're headed. I think they're just going to keep growing from strength to strength. I expected to meet a lot of musicians, a lot of like-minded people, great faculty, and I certainly got much more than that. I never expected this to be such an amazing experience. And not only the faculty has so much to teach, it's also the students here. And everyone is so collaborative, open-minded, friendly, and non-judgmental, and very supportive, and very positive. This place has a very positive atmosphere. And what I really liked about this particular workshop was that it was all practical oriented. There's not too much of theory, and it was wherein, you know, you learned from how people played and how you go about doing gigs, and it was just an amazing experience.
Well, my expectations were, I really didn't know what to expect, but what I got was pretty much phenomenal, and the whole experience has been, I mean, just mind-blowing, really enlightening, and I've really found the place that I belong to, you know. I mean, I've been to like 2 other music colleges, both were really not worth it at all, and 5 days here have been like, I mean, the kind of stuff that I've learned here, it's way more than I learned for about a year, you know, like the whole experience, the whole vibe, everything is just phenomenal. SAM is a great place to be. I mean, everyone should just come here, man. Don't waste your money anywhere. I found the place and I'm glad I did. To be honest, I'll tell you something. It's kind of funny, but I'll just say it anyway. Because about 4 years ago, I woke up from a dream and I'd seen this place. Okay, and I was always like looking for that place. I was like, okay, that place might just be Berkeley, because that was a very intense dream, and I was like sure that, you know, like I'm gonna see that place someday or something like that. And I mean, I came here and I sat in that place, the smoking area, and I saw that place, and I was like, yo, this is the place that I saw. And it's destiny, you know. I'm sure I'm gonna do well here. That's a very satisfying feeling. A very satisfying feeling after a terrible journey. You know.
You found your place.
Good ending to a sad story.
People who are contemplating about taking up music, they should actually come to the workshop and just see what it's like. Know whether it's worth the whole drive, because there's a lot more than what you'll actually learn from the workshop, but then you'll get an idea. You'll get a very good idea and a broad perspective about whether that's really meant for you. It's more like a trial and error method. So workshop is more, it'll just confirm what you believe.